Are you dreaming of retiring in paradise? Sicily is attracting people from all over the world, especially American expats. People are flocking here because of the incredible weather year-round, amazing food and culture. And today we are going to take a look because of the really high amount of amazing bargains on the housing market here. Yes, that's right, if you are willing to renovate a property, some more than others, then there is an abundance of deals here. Today we will be looking in two different regions of Sicily, in Palermo and in Messina. We will take a look at 4 different properties with 3 needing some renovations and 1 not needing any to show you what's available at 2 different price points. Let's get started. The first apartment we will take a look at is in the ancient village of Mistretta in the province of Messina, which is rich in beautiful ancient churches and museums. This is a beautiful village with plenty to do. There are many restaurants to enjoy. It is in a great location only 20 minutes away from the beach and is surrounded by mountains with plenty of hiking and outdoor activities to do as well. There is public transport available as well. A bus trip to the beach only takes 30 minutes. You are only an hour and a half away from a major airport in Palermo, and you are around an hour and 50 minutes away from Catania Airport, so you have options when picking flights. First up, we can see one of Mistretta's most authentic neighborhoods as we step into our first property. We step inside, you can see the kitchen and dining table is in a large open-plan room on the ground floor. With some renovations, I believe this room has a lot of potential. Then we briefly step into the downstairs bathroom, also I believe could be really amazing with this arched ceiling and small window. Then we move upstairs to the main bedroom, which is a good size and has a small terrace used for drying laundry and enjoying views or the charming streets. Then we step out the second door of this bedroom, which leads to the hallway and to a small upstairs bathroom. Also, this leads to my favorite part of this apartment, which is a good-sized veranda where you can relax and enjoy a drink and look across to a lovely garden. After that, we move upstairs again to the final bedroom, which used to be an attic. The ceiling is low on one side, but the room is big and could be a guest room and used for storage. Okay, so this 98-meter squared property is for sale for only 22,000 euros or around $24,000. This is an incredible bargain where you could have plenty of money left over to paint rooms and redo the kitchen and bathrooms and make it your own. Next, we take a look at the village of Novara di Sicilia, which is in the province of Messina as well. It has panoramic views nestled in the mountains overlooking the village of Tenderis and Abacanum, with notable views of the Aeolian Islands. This is your typical medieval town with stone buildings, 5 churches, and multiple palaces. The village is stunning and still has its authentic Sicilian charm. The village is only 30 minutes to the beach, meaning you are never far from a dip in the sea. It has great connections with Messina and Palermo as the train passes around 20 kilometers away, and you could take an Uber to and from the train station. You are only around an hour and 50 minutes to Catania Airport and around 2.5 hours to Palermo Airport, so you still have good access. So you can see the property has preserved its authentic exterior style. First, we step into the ground floor, which has a large entrance hallway and a bathroom. This bottom room has potential to be used as an office or storage or anything else you can think of. Then we head upstairs to the first floor, where you have a large living room with a terrace. With some minimal decorating like wallpaper or painting and new tiles, this could be totally transformed. Next, we head up another level to the bedroom, which also has a terrace with a lovely view. Back into the hallway, you see there is some storage space. Then up the stairs to the final floor, you will see another terrace off the hall. Then we move into the kitchen. This is a large room and I believe has the most potential to be transformed. You could redo this room and install an amazing kitchen with room for a dining table as well. There is also a veranda on the other side of the kitchen as well, which is the highlight of this apartment. The veranda has plenty of room for chairs and a table to eat outside and enjoy the magnificent views of the town, the mountains, and even the sea. If you are enjoying the video, click the subscribe button and give the video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you. So this property is for sale for 28,000 euros or around $30,000. With a cost this low, you have so much room to really transform this apartment into your own. Our next property is basically in the same area. It is in the village of San Basilio, which is just a 5-minute drive to Novara di Sicilia. So you basically are the same distance to airports, beaches, and have the same access to amenities. You can see right away this property is at the top of the town and is a fully detached house. When you step inside, right away you can see this property will need to be renovated. It has so much potential and is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom at the moment. It is around 127 meters squared, but also comes with a 65 meter squared plot of land sitting on its left side. The previous owners had started some renovating, so there are wooden floors ready to go in, and the beautiful wooden ceiling has been completed already. And there is an authentic Sicilian oven installed upstairs. The best part about the property is the incredible views from the terrace of the surrounding mountains. This is a quick shot of the 65 meter squared plot on the side of the house. And then we move around to the other side of the property and you can see there are rooms below the house. These rooms also need some work but could be used for many different things and are a nice extra that comes with the property. This property is for sale for 35,000 euros or around $38,000. This is a great size and has the potential, with some hard work, to be really amazing. Our final property today we will look at is in the province of Palermo in a village called Finale. This charming village is right on the sea in a great location very close to Cefalù and Palermo. It is a quiet fishing village that's peaceful with a couple pizzerias, bars, cafes, and shops. And if there's anything else you need, then a quick trip to Cefalù or another nearby town for a nice day out. You are also about an hour and 20 minutes to Palermo Airport, and there is a train station in town that will take you to Palermo or Messina, so you are well connected. Okay, this is a great property in the Residence Apollonia, which is situated a few steps from the city center. First up, you will see a nice spacious porch area where you could relax or socialize. We step inside, you can see a spacious, open-plan living/dining room and kitchenette. I would definitely rearrange this and maybe move a smaller dining table to the porch to give the living room some more space. Then also downstairs you have a full bathroom with a shower. Next, we move upstairs on this beautiful spiral staircase. Upstairs has a single bedroom and a double bedroom. And also there is a terrace with panoramic views of the sea, a welcome refuge of tranquility and beauty. Another great part about this condominium is what comes with it. There is a soccer field, an area specifically for kids, and a swimming pool which has a locker room and showers all free to use. And you also get a private parking space. This property is for sale for €59,000, or around $64,000. Now you can see why so many expats are moving to Sicily. We only just scratched the surface of what is available in different areas to look at. So be sure to check back for more later on. Now, anywhere you choose to move or retire is not without any cons. So let's address the elephant in the room, the language. Sicily will have fewer English speakers than other places you might be looking at. For some, this might be a deal breaker, but I believe many will enjoy the challenge and dive right in and fully immerse themselves in the culture. If you take some time to learn the basics, you will get by just fine, and the locals will welcome you. So has anything we looked at today caught your eye? Could Sicily be added to your list of places to look at? Let me know in the comments below, and I look forward to responding. See you next week, and happy house hunting.